raising flour. This is a very simple recipe, by the way. And we need a 1 cup of whipping cream, and we need a 1 cup of fizzy Bundaberg ginger beer. This is my favorite ginger beer, not because it's made in Australia, but because I just like the taste of this. Like really, you can really taste the ginger. Yeah, let's see. Unfortunately, there's a lot of carbo in here. Yeah, can you see that? Look. Yeah, whipping cream, heavy whipping cream, any brand. Just take one, and then probably this one is optional, by the way. This is optional, you know, if you want. But baking dish bowl, strainer, and measuring cups, and this one. We're gonna preheat the oven at 390 Fahrenheit while we preparing all these ingredients. Okay. And we bake it between 10 to 15 minutes, by the way. I'm gonna sip 3 cups of raising flour. Okay, I put the 1 cup of ginger beer right in the middle, making a hole. Busy it is. Then I'm just gonna mix them together. And put flour. Remember, I disinfected this one and then that. Okay, and this dough here. It might be the easiest scone. You can actually make it like a circle if you have the round what do you call cutter. Yeah, so there you go. We're going to put this one by one. Make sure they're not equally. But I'm going to apply fresh milk. First my this one here. To bake. Here it is, ready. It's ready, so we're gonna wait to cool it down, but we're going to cover it with the tea towel to avoid it from hardening. Is this brew? Yes, it's ready. Black tea, ginger, cardamom, cinnamon, black pepper, cloves, and licorice. Yeah. I usually love to smell my tea before I drink it.